What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my studio apartment in Da Nang tour. Alright, so before I get started with this tour, I just want to say hit that like button for me, smash that subscribe button if you're new to this channel, and yeah, if you're curious how I make money to be able to afford something like this, my money team's Patreon is linked below in the description. It's called Buy In. You guys can join that for $20 a month. A whole lot of money opportunities and money plays in there. If you want passive income, remote income from anywhere in the world like I have. But yeah, another thing I want to mention about this apartment is it is in Da Nang, Vietnam. It cost $258 per month. That's less than some men's shoes in America. That's less than some car insurance in America. It's just crazy when you had a perspective on what this amount of money can get you in certain areas of the world. Like, man, I don't even think I was able to get a storage unit in certain areas of America for $258. So to have something I can live in and have all of the amenities that you guys are about to see is just amazing bang for your buck. And it makes me never want to leave this country. So without further ado, let me get started on this tour for y'all. Let's go. So the first thing I want to show y'all is my restroom. This restroom has everything I need, honestly, and it surprised me with a new style of living that I wasn't used to and didn't think I would like, but I actually do like it. And that's gonna be the shower, and I'll show y'all that in a second. But here goes the sink. It's a bowl. Left goes hot, right goes cold. It's neat enough. This toothpaste and toothbrush holder was already installed on the wall. We have this electronic toothbrush sterilizer that we're going to start using soon, so this is dope. And then we move on to the toilet. We have this bum gun right here, which I've fallen in love with since being in Vietnam. And then next, I have this towel rack that was already installed into the wall. It's perfect. It has some hanger knobs on the back, about 6 of them. That's perfect for organization. We got a hand towel right here, body towel, and then some other personal towels that we use for whatever we want. This is a clean towel right here. This is where we will store our clean towels. And shower now, we got a wand. We have a rain head. This rain head swivels, man. We don't have a shower door, but what I realized is that I'm so big that a shower door kind of actually confines me. And now that I have space, I actually don't feel confined when I shower. Like, I can kind of move around, stretch my limbs, and get a more thorough clean, you know, because I'm not standing tight in a Superman booth like I have been a lot of times in my life because I'm 6'4". So yeah, I love the open concept shower. Actually, I would just consider it that, but they call it a wet bathroom. That's the proper terminology for it. I actually love it. And yeah, that's the bathroom. We got some body wash on the ground that has matcha in the body wash, and then the black thing is some shampoo. I got my CeraVe face wash, and then this is a nice little tissue holder that I haven't used yet, but I like how it's shiny silver like that. So yeah, that's the restroom. Let me show y'all the closet next. This is the closet. It has 3 shelves built into it, and then another big cubicle that you can do more large things with. I'm gonna open the closet for y'all now. This is what we're working with inside. I've kind of used my belt as a divider between mine and hers. This is what we can do with the upper section of the closet. I like it. It's multi-purpose, has some shelves. It's enough. It's enough. All right, next, let me show y'all this little foyer wall right here. We just got our suitcases lined up on top of it. It was the best we could do with this space. And it's not bad. It's not bad. It works for now. Maybe we'll find out a public storage type of warehouse in Vietnam and start putting our suitcases there for the months that we choose this spot. But it's not bad. It works for now. But next, let me take y'all to the kitchen area. So as you can see right here, I have a washing machine for $258 a month. I have a washing machine. It's perfect. It's modern. I feel like it was brand new. I just can't believe I got it for the price. Next, I have this microwave that was brand new. It's Toshiba. Clean in there. Twist this knob and it gets going. And then you hear the bell when your food's ready. Next, we have a portable induction top plate. You press the power button, it comes on, and you can get down with boiling things, cooking things in pots. So that's perfect too. The only thing this kitchen is missing is a oven, but that's cool. We can get ourselves an air fryer. We can get ourselves a tabletop oven, so it's all good. We've made some ramen in here so far, and it felt good. It felt like home. It felt like a cozy thing to do. I can't wait to make more things in here too, or just eat more of her things that she cooks. I can't wait. It's just it's crazy to be living so comfortable with so much amenity for only $258. All right, so next let me show y'all the sink. The sink has a movable spout. It's dope, and it has two settings. You can either do spray or you can do one streamline, so that's dope. And then they gave us this drying rack, so that's dope, and it slides left and right. It can come all the way out, so that's the drying rack. Now let me show y'all our cabinets. We have some bowls and plates and cups in this one. I think we're going with a white aesthetic for plates. I like white. It's just a sign of cleanliness. And if we're not doing white, I think I'll just add this color for other things. Next, we have this pantry type of cabinet slot. We got Cocoa Crunch cereal that we haven't tried yet. We have these chips that we have tried that we love. And we got all of this food from a Costco type of store in Vietnam called Mega Market. It's just like Costco, bro. And they got everything. They got everything. So yeah, we also have some supplements. We got licorice root, astragalus root, and then I bought me some chili dried mango that I can't wait to eat actually. And she got her some chocolate dip mango. So yeah, that's our pantry right now. And we got some Tabasco sauce, which we bought today. And we're also halfway done using already today. We like spicy things. We can handle spicy things. Next, we have our biggest cabinet. So we decided to put our pots and pans in it so far, and some noodles. The noodles are cheese ramen, barbecue beef ramen. We've already had some of both of these. So here goes that backsplash color hint that I said I was starting to grab too. It's Tupperware. It's a set of 3 Tupperware. They all got this color top. These pots came with the apartment. We didn't have to go out and buy them. And they have rose gold hints on them. So yeah, it's kind of helpful for a feminine accent in here for my lady. I went out and bought us some wooden spoons, some wooden cooking utensils, and the knife set. And then yeah, the pots have rose gold knobs as well. So it's dope. And they have a rose gold tint to the glass. And we got a wooden cooking board. So yeah, this house's design cues are this color, wood, black, and white. So that's what we're gonna keep a continuation of on the things we buy. So next, we just have some dish soap, and it came as a combo with a Scotch Brite scrub. All right, next I'll show y'all the fridge. The fridge was brand new when I moved in too. It's an Aqua brand. This is the freezer. We don't have nothing in there right now but some ice cubes. And then I'll show y'all the fridge. There you go, come down here. Right now, the fridge has some green tea, like 4 more green teas. We love this green tea. And then we have some lychee juice, and we have some oat milk. And then I got this glass Heinz ketchup bottle, which I love. It's so like nostalgic American to me. And then some Golden Farm Caesar dressing. I'm hoping this tastes just like ranch. I don't think ranch is common out here in Vietnam, but when I was looking through the condiments aisle at the store, this was the most similar thing I could see to ranch. So I'm just hoping that this tastes like ranch when I try it on something. So yeah, that's the fridge. We'll be adding food into these 2 meats and produce soon, but it's more than enough for just 2 people. And we won't need to eat in a lot because takeout food and restaurant food is so cheap here. You can get meals for $1.80, $1.50, $2. So we'll have options. This is more than enough for when you can eat out for so cheap. Next, we have some purified water because you can't drink tap water in Vietnam. It's not safe. So we'll keep this on full. And then next we have this Sharp brand TV. It's 1080p quality, but that's okay. I don't plan on being here forever, but this is more than enough for me to just see clearly and get the gist of whatever I want to entertain me. They have a YouTube quick access button, and they got a browser quick access button, so it's perfect for me. It also gets very loud, and that's helpful because the TV isn't the closest it could possibly be to my bed, so I'm happy that it gets very loud without even having a sound bar for it. So yeah, sharp 1080p. I love it. Next, we have my dining area. So 2 wood chairs, a perfect view from our seats. We can see the city. And once again, this is another one of those things that I can't believe I'm getting for $258. So this is the dining area. It's beautiful during the daytime for breakfast. It's beautiful during the nighttime for a sunset dinner. So just feel lucky, man. Just feel blessed. What more could you ask for? Next, I'll take y'all over here to my counter right next to my bed. I have my camera bag. I got my MacBook, my adapter dongle, my wallet, my AirPods. Just quick grab and go things over here. I got my PlayStation Portal. I got my main PlayStation 5 controller, my tripod, some jewelry. I also have a Google Home right here. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 5:41 p.m.
Perfect grab and go things or convenient things on the bedside. I also have a remote for my AC. I don't have to get up and go touch a wall. So for $258, all of this convenient stuff is crazy. Next, I want to start talking about the bed. So first of all, notice, also we have this fan right here. It twists and it blows pretty strongly and coldly, so it's great for a hot, humid climate like Da Nang. Having a fan and the AC meet right here in the middle where the bed is keeps us super cool. Next, I want to point out this rail that we got going alongside our headboard wall. It's a perfect opportunity for us to do some decorating. Like I can add my YouTube plaques, God willing. I can add bear bricks, stuff like that. So yeah, I like that this rail really comes out like this. It's a really nice chance to do what we're already doing with power sources, but also show our separate interests a little bit. I would use this left side for myself and she could use the headboard side for herself. Next, let's talk about the bed. This bed is perfect for me and her, and this color scheme kind of just matches everything else that's going on in the house. Like, you know, we got this backsplash, that's this color, and then we also got the sheet set. I just wanted to stay on brand with the color schemes that were already provided to me, so I did this. The mattress feels great too. It's not too hard, but it's also not too plush. They say like a perfect medium is what's best for your body to sleep on, so I love it. I don't feel like it's that hardcore Asian mattress that I've heard some scare stories about. So yeah, I feel like it's a perfect medium for what I'm used to in America and also how Asians like to have their mattresses. It's perfect. Nothing's under here but some laundry detergent. It's not really no shelf space. The bags are also just bags from the grocery store that we have ready to use for the trash can. But yeah, guys, this is my apartment tour in Da Nang, Vietnam for $258. I'm also getting a weekly cleaner for this price, and it came furnished, man. So just know that it is easier options out there for whoever's dreaming that bills could get off their back, their economy could get off their back. It's possible, man, and I'm finding it in Da Nang, Vietnam personally. So yeah, if you were wondering if it's possible to spend that little on rent, the answer is yes. If you want to know what area I live in and stuff like that, just contact me a little more privately, like through a DM, or comment down below your information and I'll talk to you about it a little more privately. But yeah, just know that you can fly somewhere in the world and be appreciated more by that country, that community, that government, that place's economy. Never feel like your location is your permanent situation. Just do your research, chase whatever you're passionate about, follow your dreams, buy into your dreams, and yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new to this channel, and hit that notifications bell because I am daily vlogging. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I appreciate y'all watching, and peace.